Oh no,
Salam.
what's wrong?
Is she okay? She's not
No.
breathing.
Okay.
Are you breathing?
Can
Are
you
you
guys help
breathing?
us? Can you guys help us figure out what's wrong?
Please help us figure out what's wrong.
There's something wrong with her brain, we think. But first, we gotta explain to you guys what's going on up there.
All right. My name is Dr. Mersha.
And I'm Dr. Brenner, and we're gonna teach you about the different parts of the brain so that you can help us figure out what's wrong with Salam.
Alrighty.
Okay, guys. So first is the main part of the brain, is the cerebrum, and it's divided into two halves, and it involves interpreting touch, interpreting sounds and different senses, and it also involves emotions and feelings.
So there's 4 lobes and 2 areas in the brain. The 4 lobes are the frontal lobe, the temporal lobe, and the occipital lobe, and also the parietal lobe. The 2 areas are the Wernicke's area and the Broca's area.
In Salam's frontal lobe, it controls different important cognitive skills, such as emotional expression, problem solving, memory, language, and judgment. Salam's temporal lobe controls her auditory perception, such as hearing.
Hello.
Hi.
Salam's occipital lobe is what controls what her eyes are seeing. It has to be very fast and very efficient.
Salam, how many fingers am I holding?
7.
Oh, there's something definitely wrong.
Oh God.
Oh God.
Salam's parietal lobe is at the back of her brain, and it's divided into 2 sections. Its functions are to process sensory information regarding different parts of her body, as well as interpreting visual information and processing language.
Salam, what's 2 plus 2?
9.
Uh-oh, there's something wrong there too. Write it down. Wernicke's area is the region of the brain that is important for Salam's language development. It is located in the temporal lobe on the left side of the brain, and it is related to the production of speech, which is from Broca's area.
Salam, can you sing your ABCs for us?
A. C.
Oh no. Oh no, that's not good. That's not
F.
F. Oh God.
good.
Z.
Alright, she's done.
Broca's area in Salam's brain is involved in expressing aspects of spoken and written language. So it controls how she can say things.
Can you say onomatopoeia?
Onomatopoeia.
Uh-oh.
Now we're going to discuss thalamus, hypothalamus, and hippocampus areas in her brain. Okay. So the thalamus is just above the brainstem between the cerebral cortex and the midbrain. Its functions are relying on sensory signals, including motor signals, and the regulation of consciousness.
Salam?
Are you
Salam?
conscious?
Hello?
Okay, that doesn't look good.
That doesn't look good at all.
Okay. The hypothalamus is located at the base of the brain near the pituitary gland, and its functions include releasing hormones and regulating body temperature.
Oh, she's feeling a little hot. That's definitely not good.
Oof. The hippocampus is founded in the temporal lobe, and its functions involve human learning and memory. It's also a part of the lipid system, which also includes the functions of feeling and reacting.
Salam. Can you remember where you are?
Today is purple.
Oh God, this isn't going well. The cerebellum in Salam's brain extends from the rear of the brainstem and enables nonverbal learning and memory. It helps her to judge time, discriminate sounds and textures, and coordinate voluntary movement.
Whoa. What's happening here?
Are you doing that? Oh.
Okay. Gotta add that one to the list.
Salam's reticular activating system is a set of connected nuclei in the brain's vertebrates that is responsible for regulating wakefulness and sleep-wake transitions.
Are you awake?
Are you awake? Splash it on her.
Salam. Okay.
The pons in Salam's brain helps to control breathing, communication between different parts, and helps to also control taste, hearing, and balance.
Alright.
Alright,
Salam,
Salam.
can you hear me? We're gonna pick you up and try to walk for us.
Come on, come on.
Alright?
Oh,
Ah!
oh no!
Ooh,
Not it, not it.
that wasn't good. The next thing we're gonna be talking about is the medulla. The medulla is found in the base of the brain, and it controls the heartbeat and breathing of our patient here.
Alright. Oh no.
Is
I don't,
it
it's
off?
really off. It's really off.
Okay, better write that down.
Definitely something wrong there.
Alright. The next thing we're going to be talking about is the spinal cord. Its main functions are to relay messages from the brain to different parts of the body and to perform action.
Salam, could you drink some of this for us? Oh no.
She completely
Oh, no.
missed her mouth.
I was way off. Okay.
There's something wrong. Okay.
Ring.
Next thing we're going to be talking about is the corpus callosum. It's a large band of nerve fibers connecting the two brain hemispheres that carry messages between them.
Alright. We read in our textbook that people without the corpus callosum can write a circle with one hand and a square with the other at the same time. Okay. You gotta.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll just see if she can do it right now.
Alright. You want to do it? Here.
Okay, Salam. Can you draw a circle in one hand and a square in the other? Try your very best. We're like DV.
Well,
I don't know what that means,
got
but
a corpus callosum.
okay, I don't know how that helps.
Finally, it could be an issue with her midbrain. The midbrain serves important functions in motor movement, particularly movements in the eye and auditory and visual processing. It is located within the brainstem. Alright, Salam, can you try and follow this for me? Oh no. Oh, no, over here. Gonna have to write that one down too.
Alrighty. Alright guys, now since we told you what's wrong, you guys try to fix her and we'll go on our lunch break.
See you later.